All the tires are new. I think that the door, it's not closed correctly, but new seals. In the back, we have all the original galvanized. And then you have the interior. Let's go and look at the interior. They just need to be clean, but it's fine. No rust under. Check it. It's just, you know, not painted, but it's fine. It's missing the wheel inside. And the interior. You can see a little bit of this, but it's not broken. Maybe just cut it and it will be fine. It will look decent, but it looks decent. The doors also look decent, see? No rust anywhere. Okay, I'm gonna test